Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide. So today we're gonna do another outdoor screen display test on these devices. We've got the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, we've got the OnePlus 7 Pro, and the OnePlus 6T. So right now, the screen display is set to manual. It is cranked up to 100%, and we've got all the screen display here, the wallpaper. We've got exactly the same in all three. As you can see from there, I don't know if you could actually see it on the monitor, but looking at it, just based on real world, what I see is that they are viewable. It looks like the S10 Plus is more brighter, and the other two is somewhat a little bit on more of a lower side, but you can still see all three. But today we're gonna actually measure them with my Lux digital meter so we could really actually see the numbers, what kind of brightness we can get out of them. So the first one we're gonna do is we're gonna measure the S10 Plus here. We're gonna measure the wall screen display. Okay, so right here, we're reaching over 1,000 already. This is on manual mode, 100%. And there you go, 1100, the highest 1100 plus. Now we'll check out the 7 Pro. So we saw 800 there, 1,000, good. Okay, keep moving around. All right, let's go up there again. Okay, so it looks like I was on the edge here. I was actually on the edge. That's why it was reaching over 1,000, but if I really put it on the screen display here, it is reaching up to 800, which is the highest, or 700. Let me do that again. The S10 Plus here, make sure that my tool is right on the screen display, not on the edge. So it looks like the S10 Plus is not reaching 1,000. Highest is 900 plus. Okay, let's check out the 6T now. 6T. Highest is 500 there. Okay, 500 plus. Now let's check out the Dial app, which is the common app that we usually use when we are out and about. So let's measure that up. Okay, so this one straight on the screen display, we're reaching over 1100. So now the Samsung S10 Plus here is pulling off, way ahead of these two devices, but let's make sure. All right, so as you can see, in manual mode, the screen display on the 7 Pro is not as bright as the S10 Plus. All right, so let's go to the screen display, to the settings, Let's change the setting, this manual mode to auto. Okay, auto, right there. And now we'll check out the 7 Pro, check the auto. Display brightness. Auto, boom. And the 7 and the 6T. Okay, auto. All right, let's do this again. S10 Plus, auto mode. Okay, almost similar to manual mode. Not much of a difference there, guys. Auto. Okay, not much of a difference. No changes. 6T. Okay, now let's go to the telephone app. Oh yeah, look at that. Over 1,000. Okay, so S10 Plus is up there. All right, look at that. 7 Pro is up there as well. Oh, we're over 11 here, guys. Wow. And I'm right in the middle of the screen display. I'm not on the edges. Look at that. Wow. Let's do that again for the S10 Plus. Okay, wow. I'm right in the middle of the screen display, not on the edges. It looks like the 7 Pro is brighter there, guys. Wow. Okay. 6T. Okay, so it looks like the 6T is pretty much got the lowest screen display. It's not the brightest, but wow, impressive, impressive. So depending on what screen display you have on, it does alter the brightness. It's really hard to tell because based on the wallpaper here, the S10 Plus is brighter, but when you do open up some other apps, it looks like the 7 Pro is a little bit brighter. But based on viewing it in my pair of my eyes here, just looking at it, it looks like the S10 Plus is slightly brighter than the 7 Pro. Just slightly, guys, but not much. You can view all three outdoor easily. And looking at the monitor, the camera monitor here, guys, I'm looking at it directly. I am using a small HD. It's really hard to distinguish, but I don't know how you guys will view this on YouTube. You guys might be able to see it, but in real world, you could actually view all three. So there's no issues. And there's really no clear winner here because based on what you have on the wallpaper or app you're using, the 7 Pro and the S10 Plus, they have different numbers of nits. So there's really there's really no winner here, but all three are pretty good. You can view all three of them so without no problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. And if you guys have any other questions or other tests you want me to do, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.